My name is Jeffrey Kennedy, and welcome back to another episode of Elliott Wave Junctures. Today we're going to examine retracements, specifically Fibonacci retracements for waves 2 and waves 4. In this price chart right here, we have Walmart, and what I want to do is examine the second wave retracement and the fourth wave retracement of this impulsive advance. As you can see in this price chart here, it's actually labeled. Moreover, if you look more closely, you'll see that I've identified the 618 retracement for wave 2 and the 382 retracement for wave 4. And the reason why I did this is because the most common Fibonacci retracement for a second wave is indeed 0.618. In fact, the nicest third wave moves I've ever witnessed, the ones that have duration and extent and travel a very long way, tend to originate from very deep second wave retracements, i.e. 618 or 786. Fourth waves, on the other hand, the most common Fibonacci retracement for a fourth wave is a 382 multiple of wave 3, as you can see here. Now, I will tell you one thing about fourth waves that's not really in any of the books. And what that is fourth waves tend to do a very good job of balancing both price and time. And what I mean by that is that whenever wave 4 is very time consuming, for example, in this instance right here, its retracement of wave 3 tends to be shallow, i.e. 236 or possibly even 0.382. When wave 4, on the other hand, is very quick, very short in duration, its retracement of wave 3 tends to be very deep, i.e. 0.5, 50%, maybe even as deep as 0.618. So again, fourth waves tend to balance both price and time. If it's quick, it tends to be deep. If it's time consuming, it tends to be shallow. Again, the most common Fibonacci retracement for a second wave is a 618 multiple of wave 1, as you can see here, and the most common Fibonacci retracement for a fourth wave is 0.382. Let me show you one more price chart where this is clearly illustrated, but this is on a 10-minute price chart of an individual stock, and if you recall, the wave principle really isn't supposed to work that well with individual stocks, certainly on this short of a time frame, but again, I want to show you how well it actually does work. Here's a price chart of DIG. This is the ProShares Ultra Oil and Gas, and we have a nice 5-wave decline in place here. Here's my waves 1, 2, nice extended third wave move right here. Here's my fourth wave advance, followed by a 5-wave decline for wave 5. Okay, again, look. The most common Fibonacci retracement for a second wave is a 618 multiple of wave 1. We went just a little bit above 4190 and then fell nicely as wave 3 unfolded. Notice the price gap in wave 3 of 3. Very common, very typical. Then once we had wave 3 in place, we did a 3-wave counter trend move. This is A triangle BC. Up in wave 4, again back to near the previous fourth wave extreme of 1 lesser degree, but more importantly, back to the 382 retracement of wave 3 at 4032. And then that's where the larger trend, i.e. down, actually resumed from. Understanding and knowing when and where to look at these counter trend price moves, these waves 2s and waves 4, very important because that's your opportunity from a trading perspective to rejoin the larger trend. Thank you very much.